Hello friends, on this video right now I'm going to show you how to disconnect Wi-Fi on Acer PC. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so on the done you will be able to see the on the taskbar there is the start button. So click on the start button. When you move on the start button in this page, where you have to click is the here you will be able to see the setting option. So click on the setting option. When you click on the setting option, from here where you have to click is the on the left side you will be able to see here is the Bluetooth and devices. Okay, just click on the Bluetooth and devices. When you move on the Bluetooth and devices, on the right side here you have to click on the Bluetooth. Wait, when you move on the Bluetooth, no, we want to disconnect the Wi-Fi. Okay, so you have to click on the network and internet, not in the Bluetooth and devices. On the left side, click on the network and internet. When you click on the network and internet, here on the right side, what you have to click is the let's move on. Just click on the Wi-Fi. When you move on the Wi-Fi, here first, second, third option, you are going to find the manage no networks. So click on the manage no networks. When you click on the manage no networks, if you want to forget or disconnect your password, what you need to do is that here is the Geo Fiber one and it has been connected. If you want to forget it, just click on the forget and it will be successfully forget it. Okay, you can forget the networks like that easily. Okay, how many networks are to be known and which one you want to forget it, you can forget it from here easily. Just click on the forget and it will be forget successfully. And if you don't know how to add the networks, you want to add the networks, okay, I mean you want to connect the Wi-Fi but you don't know how to connect it, so just click on the add network. If you don't know how to connect, then you can search for the videos. Okay, there's many videos, you can watch my videos also. Okay, so friends, hope you loved the video, and if you loved the video, please like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.